Welcome to this tutorial on how to make money on Robinhood with $10. This guide will walk you through the steps to get started with investing on Robinhood and potentially grow your initial investment. First, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. After your account is verified, you can fund it with your initial $10. Next, you need to understand the different types of investments available on Robinhood, including stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. With $10, you can start by investing in fractional shares of stocks, which allows you to buy a portion of a share. To make money on Robinhood, you need to have a solid understanding of the market and the stocks you are investing in. Start by researching and selecting stocks that have a strong potential for growth. You can use the news feed and market data provided by Robinhood to stay informed about market trends. One strategy to consider is dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help reduce the risk of investing and increase your potential for long-term growth. Another strategy is to invest in dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a regular stream of income. With $10, you can invest in a dividend-paying stock and earn a small amount of dividend income, which can be reinvested to grow your portfolio. It is also important to keep in mind that investing always involves risk, and there is a possibility that you could lose some or all of your initial investment. Therefore, it is essential to set clear financial goals and risk tolerance before investing. To minimize risk, consider setting a budget and sticking to it, and avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of assets to reduce your exposure to any one particular stock or market. In conclusion, making money on Robinhood with $10 requires patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of the market. By following these steps and strategies, you can potentially grow your initial investment and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear financial goals, and invest responsibly.